TechGDPR case study, enabling UK expansion for Australian software.
An Australian software company wanted to expand to the UK, but the complexity of GDPR threatened to slow them down. How could they ensure compliance and enter the market with confidence? The client develops innovative software for the automotive repair industry, connecting repair shops with manufacturers and insurers. Their platform streamlines parts orders and information exchange. But as they prepared to expand to the UK, GDPR compliance became a critical hurdle. TechGDPR worked with them through a three-step approach: workshops, anticipatory data mapping, and ROPA guidance. We started with tailored workshops to understand their operations and the applicability of GDPR. We clarified concerns like data sharing between sales teams in Australia and the UK. Next, we mapped their data processing activities for both the Australian entity and the planned UK subsidiary, ensuring clear responsibilities and compliance from the start. Finally, we provided guidelines for maintaining records of processing activities and addressed key issues like international data transfers, secondary data use, and retention periods. We also recommended tools for ongoing compliance. Thanks to this approach, the company gained a deep understanding of GDPR, implemented an effective framework for documenting and managing data, and is now fully prepared for a risk-free expansion into the UK market. If your company plans to expand to Europe, TechGDPR can help you build a solid GDPR compliance foundation and reduce risks from day one. Request your free consultation today.